Good morning and happy Friday to every one of us, especially to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonoluwa Inde, one of the economic developer within the Kringle community. Guys, I believe every one of us, we have made enough purchase of our Farmwar, and at the same time, it is expected that we should all go ahead and download the demo of this Farmwar. Guys, it is indeed a wonderful game to learn. You play, you earn. You play, you earn. You play, you earn. Guys, don't trivialize it. Especially, I'm making this short broadcast to encourage everyone of us to buy as many Farmwar coins as possible. Now that the pre-sale is on, this is the best time to buy. For one for 500 Farmwar coin, that's 0.01 BNB. Guys, it is wonderful. So go ahead, make your purchase. At least ensure you buy one. Or if there's opportunity, get multiples, 2, 3, and the rest. Why? Because immediately after the pre-sale, which ends this month, wow, the price will go up. And for as many of us who have the opportunity, who has the mind, business minded, who wants to make it as a business, yeah, you can buy now. Then and after the pre-sale, you resell. It's also a wonderful opportunity to make extra income. So, guys, just a quick one and a quick update on this. Get your Farmwar coin ready now during the pre-sale and download it and continue to practice with the demo game. It is well, guys. See you later as I come your way for other broadcast. Cheers. Have a wonderful and a beautiful weekend. Bye for now.